The reflex arc, represented through a finger touching boiling water. The reflex arc is a process in which the body bypasses the brain and central nervous system and creates an automatic response to a stimulus. The reflex arc begins with the stimulus. For this example, as the finger touches the stimulus of the boiling water, the receptors within the finger detect the stimulus. A nerve impulse is then initiated by the sensory neuron and sent towards the spinal cord. The sensory neuron will then synapse with the relay neuron by releasing neurotransmitters, sending the signal into the relay neuron. The relay neuron synapses with the motor neuron by sending neurotransmitters through the synapse, moving the signal on to the motor neuron. The motor neuron finally synapses with the effector by releasing neurotransmitters, causing a response, in this example, the hand jerking away. The response involves the finger quickly jerking away from the boiling water. Each nerve cell is made up of an axon, a cell body, a nucleus, myelin sheath, dendrites, and terminal knobs or axon terminales. During the synapse between two neurons, the terminal knobs of the neuron sending the signal will release neurotransmitters, which are very small chemical signals. These neurotransmitters will travel through the synapse, the gap between the nerves, and be picked up by the dendrites of the cell receiving the signal. The reflex arc will now be shown with the small piece of brown Play-Doh representing an electrical signal running down the neurons. The signal begins by traveling through the sensory neuron. The sensory neuron then synapses with the relay neuron, and the signal begins to travel down the relay neuron. The relay neuron then synapses with the motor neuron, and the signal begins to travel through the motor neuron. When the signal reaches the end of the motor neuron, it will result in a response, for this example, a finger jerking away from boiling water.